How to use LangGraph for AI assistant dialogues. Today, we'll master creating dynamic dialogues using LangGraph, enhancing your skills in dialogue management for intelligent AI assistants. Welcome to our video on how to use LangGraph for AI assistant dialogues. Today, we're diving into the world of dynamic AI dialogues using LangGraph. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to build robust dialogue flows, transforming the way you develop intelligent AI assistants. We'll explore LangGraph's core components, understand its pivotal role in dialogue management, and discover how it can elevate your AI projects. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. To begin using LangGraph, the first step is setting it up within your Python environment. Ensure you have Python 3.7 or later installed. Next, open your terminal and use pip to install LangGraph by entering pip install LangGraph. Once installed, verify by creating a simple test script to ensure everything is functioning correctly. It's crucial to configure your development environment properly to avoid runtime issues. If you face any setup challenges, common solutions include checking your Python path and ensuring all dependencies are installed. With LangGraph ready to go, you're one step closer to creating dynamic AI dialogues. In LangGraph, the core elements of dialogue management are nodes and edges. Nodes represent individual parts of a conversation, while edges connect these nodes, defining possible transitions. To create a node, use the node class and specify properties like the node type and content. Edges are defined using the edge class, where you also specify the starting and ending nodes. Understanding these components is crucial, as they form the foundation of your dialogue flow. Visualizing these elements helps in planning and optimizing your AI's conversational abilities, leading to more natural and engaging interactions.
Context awareness is a pivotal aspect of creating intelligent AI dialogues. It allows your AI assistant to understand and respond based on the context of the conversation. In LangGraph, context can be managed using context nodes and state management techniques. For instance, storing user preferences or previous interaction history enhances the AI's ability to provide relevant responses. Implementing context-aware dialogues not only improves interaction quality but also user satisfaction. By mastering context management in LangGraph, you'll take your AI's conversational abilities to the next level, making interactions feel more human and intuitive. Natural language processing, NLP, is crucial for creating realistic and engaging AI dialogues. It enhances your AI's ability to understand and process human language. To integrate NLP with LangGraph, you can use libraries like SPACI or NLTK. These tools enable your AI to parse sentences, recognize entities, and generate contextually appropriate responses. By incorporating NLP, your AI dialogues become more fluid and natural, closely mimicking human interaction. As you implement NLP, you'll notice a significant improvement in the quality and realism of your AI's communication, providing users with a seamless and satisfying experience.
One of the challenges in AI dialogue management is handling diverse user inputs. Users express themselves in numerous ways, and your AI must adapt to these variations. Techniques such as input normalization and synonym recognition help in managing diverse interactions. LangGraph allows for flexible dialogue structures that can accommodate different input styles. By implementing robust input handling mechanisms, you enhance your AI's adaptability, ensuring it can understand and respond accurately regardless of how users phrase their queries. This adaptability is key to creating a user-friendly AI assistant that meets the needs of a wide audience. Effective debugging is essential for optimizing your AI dialogue flows. LangGraph provides several tools and techniques to help identify and fix issues. Use logging and visualization to track dialogue paths and identify bottlenecks or errors. Common issues include incorrect node connections or context mismanagement, which can be resolved through systematic debugging. Regularly optimizing your dialogue flow ensures it runs efficiently, providing users with smooth and uninterrupted interactions. By mastering debugging techniques, you'll enhance your AI assistant's reliability and user satisfaction, making it a valuable tool in any conversational AI project. Testing your AI dialogues in real-world scenarios is crucial for validating performance and identifying areas for improvement. Create diverse test scenarios that mimic real user interactions, covering different contexts and input styles. LangGraph allows for comprehensive scenario testing, helping you evaluate your AI's ability to handle various situations. Gather feedback from these tests to iterate and refine your dialogue flows. Real-world testing ensures your AI assistant is ready for deployment, capable of providing users with a reliable and engaging experience. This step is vital for ensuring your AI meets the high standards expected in today's competitive market. Congratulations on completing our tutorial on how to use LangGraph for AI assistant dialogues. You've learned how to set up LangGraph, define conversation structures, implement context awareness, and more. Mastering these skills opens up new possibilities in creating intelligent, engaging AI dialogues. Remember, continuous learning and experimentation are key to staying ahead in the AI field. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.